What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pick a high yield savings options using Nerdwallet. Let's get straight into it. So are you ready to make your savings grow faster? Here's how you can pick the best high yield savings options using Nerdwallet so that your money earns more while you do less. First, head to nerdwallet.com and then click on banking from the top menu. Then select high yield savings accounts from the drop down list. You're going to land on a comparison page showcasing top rated high yield savings accounts. These are accounts that offer much higher interest rates than the national average. Nerdwallet automatically ranks these options based on current APY, account accessibility, and of course user satisfaction. You can go ahead and use the filter to narrow results based on what matters to you. It could be no monthly fees or low or no minimum deposits. Could be online or branch access, maybe 24 hours customer support, or whether it includes automatic savings feature. Next, click on any accounts to explore more details like the bank's reputation, mobile app reviews, and any fine prints regarding transfers or fees. A pro tip is to check the APY history or stability if available, because some bank offers teasers rates that drop over time. Compare at least 2 to 3 options side by side using Nerdwallet's comparison tool. This way you can clearly see differences in interest rates and fees as well as accessibility. Once you've picked the one that suits your savings goals, just hit open accounts to apply directly with the provider. A smart high yield saving pick can boost your interest earnings without any extra efforts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that help your money earn while you sleep. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.